Hello everyone, here is your daily stock market update for 24th August 2026. The Indian stock markets ended on a weak note today. The Nifty 50 index down by 32.95 points to close at 24,219.05. The BSE Sensex down by 171.72 points to close at 77,369.11. And the Nifty Bank down by 236 points to close at 57,525.95. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, metal, realty, IT, oil and gas and FMCG closed in the green, while all other sectors ended in the red. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: JSW Steel, Hindalco, Tata Steel, HCL Technologies and Dr. Reddy Laboratories. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: SBI Life Insurance, Adani Ports, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv and Bharat Electronics Limited. Let's take a look at market news. L&T has signed an ultra mega contract worth over 15,000 crore rupees in the Middle East through its energy hydrocarbon onshore business to execute the engineering, procurement and construction of gas compression plants, including gas inlet, compression, condensate and water handling, propane refrigeration and utility systems for new sour gas installations. The project also includes two 230 kV substations, highlighting L&T's growing capabilities in major energy infrastructure projects. Reliance Industries shareholders have approved key resolutions, including material-related party transactions and changes to the company's MOA. The new MOA clause enables Reliance to enter the ammonia, nitric acid, ammonium nitrate, explosives, fertilizers and related chemical businesses, subject to regulatory approvals. This concludes today's market update. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.